private sector perspective, we acknowledge the efforts of the state in developing a culture of accountability and transparency.
We will support, as an opposition, the efforts of the PSOJ to lobby the government, and indeed of the government itself, in elevating the corporate governance standards to becoming mandatory.
The Ministry of Finance was proud to partner with the PSOJ in the award ceremony today, which recognized public bodies that exhibited good corporate governance practices. And so we'd have helped in providing the information required for the selection of those who were deserving of awards.
That's been an extensive partnership, a very positive partnership, and probably one of the better public-private sector partnerships that I've seen really collaborating and working together. We're so excited because today we had 4 category awards, and the first one was to deal with board composition and structure. The next one looked at corporate governance practices. The other one looked at risk management practices, and the other one was disclosure and transparency. Along with actually having special awards for annual report and also for website.
The second runner-up for this award is the Broadcasting Commission of Jamaica. The first runner-up for this award is Jamaica Mortgage Bank Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2018 Corporate Governance Award for Board Composition, Function and Structure is National Health Fund. The second runner-up for this award is Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. The first runner-up for this award is National Health Fund. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the 2018 Corporate Governance Award for Corporate Governance Policies, Procedures and Practices is Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation. The second runner-up for this award is National Health Fund. The first runner-up for this award is Development Bank of Jamaica. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2017 Corporate Governance Award for Compliance and Disclosure of Information is Exim Bank Limited.
The event today was very good. I was happy at the participation of the public bodies. Last year we had, I think we had 12 public bodies, and the number has increased this year, and we are very happy for that because it is a voluntary awards that they have to, that they participating. It's not mandatory.
I think for Jamaican public management, it really helps to bring to fore issues of governance, ability to perform, and really a focus on how we make things better as public bodies, because we all have different mandates, but at the end of the day, it's about carrying out our mandate in a way that is beneficial to the people of this country.
We are part of a global world, and we're influenced by what happens elsewhere, and what happens elsewhere is influenced by what happens here. In that context, ensuring that we do everything that we can to make sure that in Jamaica, public trust is not only maintained, but it's entrenched, it's deepened, it's increased, it's improved, is the only way for our democracy to thrive and for us to experience the progress and prosperity that we want to.
The second runner-up for this award is Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. The first runner-up for this award is Jamaica Mortgage Bank Limited. And the winner of the 2018 Corporate Governance Award for Risk Measurement and Management and Internal Controls is Development Bank of Jamaica. The second runner-up for this award is JDIC, Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation. The first runner-up for this award goes to Office of Utilities and Regulations. And the winner of the 2018 Corporate Governance Award for Best Annual Report is DBJ. The second runner-up for this award is Exim Bank Limited. The first runner-up for this award is the Broadcasting Commission of Jamaica. And the winner of the 2018 Corporate Governance Award for the Best Website is National Health Fund.
The reason we are here today, however, is a testament to the fact that hope is not lost for governance practices in the public sector. It is therefore imperative that we hold those entities up for public recognition and respect, and that we encourage others to do the right thing every time.
And the winner, a drum roll please. There you go, I like it when we're involved, of the 2018 Public Sector Corporate Governance Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance is National Health Fund.
I think a commitment to continuous improvement is really our abiding principle, and that's one of the things we promote both at the level of the board and at the level of management.
So the National Health Fund won this year. They won last year. And this is what this event is all about, to incentivize those and not for us to focus only on the negatives.
In our democracy, public trust is the only currency that we have. And public trust rests on the premise that those who are appointed or elected to serve do so in the national interest.